In this problem, we are taking the word that is given as Mumbai. It is given that letter B is always next to A. We will make a group of B and A. So we will write MUMI and B and A will make a group. So if you can see, there are four distinct letters that we have, and then we are having BA. I will make this one as total. That is equal to 1. So there are 5 distinct letters now that we have. So we will write 5 factorial for this. But M are 2 here, so we will write dividing it with 2 factorial. And the next thing that we can write BA. We can arrange it as AB and BA. Both the possibilities are there. But there's one condition that is given, that is B is always next to A, which means that the position is always fixed. You cannot write here the value as 2 factorial, but here you will write it as only that is equal to 1. So your answer that you will get, that is equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Let's solve this value. So we will get 5, 4, 3 and 2, and you will get 2 here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get the value as 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60.